What's up, guys? It's your girl KAILYAH, and today I am here with a video. Honestly, okay, so like I don't even know how to start off. So this morning I attempted to review my Colourpop foundation and all the makeup that I got from Colourpop, which I did, and it was pretty decent. It was really good. It was an honest review on everything, but sadly the videos have gotten deleted, so I no longer have the video from this morning of me doing my makeup. But I do have my wear test. I don't know if I should post it or not because you haven't gotten my review of the product when I was putting it on. But I do have the review throughout the day and how it turned out at the end of the day. So yeah, that's what happened. But I am gonna do a second try of the foundation and review it that way, since I didn't get to I couldn't post the other one because it got deleted. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Probably gonna do it the day I leave to Orlando, see how that works. And yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this is my guest vlog of the day in school. Hope you guys enjoy, and peace out. So we have a few minutes left in class, and my makeup looks pretty good, except that I have smile lines, which it's kind of normal. Other than that, my makeup looks pretty fine. I'm not getting really oily or anything like that. So I'll see y'all in second period. Y'all, I'm on my way to second period. My makeup looks good, especially in the sun. So I'm on my way to second period. When I get into class, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. So guys, this is second period. This is my bestie. Hey. My bestie. She got her hair. New hair?
I got my hair
okay.
cut.
See
when you're famous, I'll be like, I was on her YouTube channel in high school.
So my makeup looks pretty okay. I'm vlogging. So first period just started, and I'm gonna put my phone away because this teacher is
psycho.
Yeah. So, and I'm not trying to get my phone taken away or a referral. But my makeup looks pretty good, except I got small lines a little bit, but I'm not oily. So I see y'all at third period, and I'm vlogging.
Whoa, you look cute.
Say hi to my vlog. Shauna, say hi to my vlog.
Hola, 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 hola.
Say hi to my vlog. Okay. No.
We have the same phone, Shauna. Oh, because it can't fit in your cakes. Oh. Guys, I'm tired.
So, it is currently third period. It is 9:19. The bell just rung, so it's third period. And my makeup looks pretty good. I mean, I got smile lines as usual. I don't look greasy because it's so cold outside. But, yeah, I still look beat. Period. So I'ma see y'all in fourth period. It should start warming up.
No, what the power please.
This way. Hi, I'm one of her prettiest friends that she ever had. Right here. Hi. Her makeup looks nice. Oh my gosh, I look real cute. I told you you had to come this way.
So y'all, it is fifth period, and this is my lab. This is how my makeup looks now. I'm not really oily. I know, he all up in my video. All up in it. I'm vlogging. This is my friend, Tamira. Hey guys. So, it is sixth period. And we got a lot going on. Like, I have separation, like right here. And like my nose. I don't know what's on that, but I mean, it looks decent. My chin definitely there's something there on my chin, so I don't know, but I still look cute. So yeah, so I got a lot of patchiness on my face. So guys, I'm on my way home, and I took out my contacts because it's a little tired. So yeah, I took out my contacts, and I'm on my way home. So I'm gonna close this, vlog down, or this little review / wear. I just wanted to give an update on the makeup. Overall, it's a really good foundation. I'm not really mad about it. It's really good. There is a little, patchiness, like my chin. I do have like this real big patch right here on my nose, if you can see, and right here you can see, and I think on this side too you can see like just patchiness. You can still, like, you can really see the patchiness of the foundation. I don't know if it's the primer I used. I mean, I use that primer all the time, and I never, like, experienced this before. But all the reviews I've watched, I've never seen this much patchiness before. So maybe it's just what I put on my face, and hopefully it is, because I do like the foundation. It looks very natural, and I like it. So we're gonna give this foundation another try, but overall the foundation is really good. I mean, there's a few patchiness and there's a few patches in a couple of places, but I mean, it's whatever. I mean, makeup doesn't really stay on your face like that. Brows, they're like faded, and it's been cold. Literally, it's been cold all day. Literally, it's been cold all day. I haven't sweat or anything, but like you can tell, like it's fading. Like, I don't know why you see that. I don't know why it's fading, but it is. And under my eye as well, there's patchiness. under my eye. So, yeah. Sucks. But overall, it's a good foundation. Honestly, it is. And we're going to give this foundation another try. Because I do have to go to Orlando this weekend. So, I'm going to do a video on that. And, yeah. See ya guys later. Hope you enjoyed the video. And